Morning, boys and girls. Let's get started. So I want you to watch this whole video because I'm going to tell you how today is going to work, how to get through all your assignments, and I'm going to teach you a lesson. So make sure you watch all of this because it's going to have some really important information. So I want to show you how to look at all these slides with what you're supposed to do today. I'm going to show you the one from last time I wasn't here. Well, I was here, but you guys were at home and we had an asynchronous day. And I sent you a slide that looked like this, remember? This was last time's, but it's going to be the same thing that we do for 2 days. Sorry, guys, I'm trying to hold my iPad and show you this. When you get this, today's lesson, you need to click View Original right there. You see that? So we're going to click right here. When you do that, it takes you to a page where you can click on everything and it takes you to a video. Remember, this is last time's. So today's video is going to go here. But if you look here, all these red words, those are all videos. Every time you click on them, it will take you to a video. Click on all of them. And then all the other things that aren't red, that's telling you about an activity you have to do today. So read through all of this so you know exactly what to do. Look, when I click on a red word, this might happen. It might take you a page that says, the previous page, the last page, is sending you to a new page. So you're going to click on the top one right here, that top purple one, if this comes up. And that's just going to take you to the song, to the video. That's just me from last time. So I wanted to go over that. When you get this, hit View Original. Click on all the red words that you see in these slides, okay? All right. So now I want to get started on our activity for math. You are going to be doing this assignment today called One More, One Fewer Teen Numbers. Let me show you what it looks like in Seesaw. Right here. This is the game that we're going to play. Now, we've done one more, one fewer. That just means one more, one less. But we've done that with the numbers 1 through 10. Because you guys can add +1. You can subtract -1. So good. You guys are all experts. Now, we're going to do it with teen numbers. So I want you guys to open this up. This is the Seesaw activity. You're going to need your teen number cards. So get your teen number cards. You're going to need your double 10 frame. So you remember that green double 10 frame sheet that I gave you guys? Make sure you get that out. I have this because I don't have my 10 frames with me, so I made one at home. And you guys are going to need your cubes. So I don't have cubes because I'm here in my apartment and I didn't bring any cubes home with me. But if you're ever at home like me and you don't have cubes, you can use anything you have in the house. So me, I'm going to use this bag of almonds. So make sure you have something to count with. If it's not cubes, anything small. These almonds are perfect size for me to count on my 10 frame. All right, now let me show you how we're going to do this activity, okay? We're going to do this a lot. All right, so when you get to this page and you have your 10 frame out and you have your teen number cards and your cubes, the first thing you're going to do, you're going to put your number cards there, you see? I'm going to flip one and see what I get. I got the number 12. So we are going to write the number 12 right here where it says starting number. We are starting with number 12. So write the number that you pull from your teen number cards. 12, and then it tells us +1. Remember, +1 means one more. So we are now going to build 12 on our 10 frame and then put one more, because +1 means one more. We want to find out what's 12 plus 1. What's one more than 12? So let's build it to find out. I'm going to try my very best to show you while I'm building, but it's a little hard with my iPad. Okay, so here is my 10 frame. Okay, this might not work, guys. I'm doing my best. Okay, there we go. That should work. All right, so I'm going to use my almonds to show the number 12 because we start with number 12. All right, watch me do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I built 12 on my 10 frame, just like my card I pulled, just like the one I wrote here. Now we have +1. +1 means one more. So we're gonna put one more on our 10 frame. So if this is 12, what's one more? Well, let's count and double check. We know a full 10 frame is 10, so we have 10, 11, 12. One more is 13. So, something weird came up. 12 plus 1 equals our ending total, so our answer is 13. There's my 1, there's my 3 for 13. All right, just like that. And then we're done with 12. Thank you, 12. Thank you, my almonds, for showing me 12. I'm gonna take them off. And then we go again. We pick another teen number card. I got 14. Remember, we write it here. So I'm gonna write my starting number. I start with 14. All right, and now we need to build it. So I'm going to build 14 on my 10 frame. All right, here we go. Ready? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I got 14. Wrote 14, pulled 14, built 14. Now let's see what it tells us to do. Now it says -1. Remember, -1 means we take away 1. That is 1 less. So if I have 14, -1 means take 1 away. So I'm going to take 1 away. 1. Bye-bye. Let's see how many we have left. Well, what number comes before 14? If we have 14 and we take 1 away, what do we have left? Looks like we have 10 on this 10 frame, the first one. And then there's 3 more. So there's 10, 11, 12, 13. So 14 minus 1 equals 13. That's so funny. We got 13 as our answer for both. So then you just keep on playing. Pick another card, do the same thing. Pick another card and do this until all of these are full. All right? When you're done with that, you are going to submit it into Seesaw. And then, let me see what I showed you. Follow these instructions. It says, get on Seesaw. Oh, so we're doing that. Practice subitizing is what it says next. Watch the subitizing video, please. We don't get to subitize a lot. We don't have that extra time. So I really want you guys to take today to really practice, because that's something that's really important that you need to know how to do by the end of kindergarten. When you are done with my video, the Seesaw assignment I just showed you, subitizing, I want you to get onto Dreambox. I'm going to check to see who went onto Dreambox, so make sure you do it. I'm going to see how many lessons you did too. So if you only do one lesson, when you had so much time to complete Dreambox lessons, I'm going to know you weren't doing your work. So do your work, okay? Oh gosh, this is 8 minutes long. I need to hurry it up. All right, so at 1:20, you can stop being on Dreambox like we normally do on a normal day when I'm there. You are going to go to PE for specials. After you're done with PE, come back and do my next assignment for science. You are going to do a rocket ship drawing activity. So you're going to click on those red words, and it's going to show you how to draw a rocket. I want you guys to watch the video, draw your rocket, and then take a picture of your drawing, and then stick it into Seesaw in the assignment called Rocket Ship Drawing. Now, don't worry, I didn't forget our book. I just wanted to save that for the end. So, there's a video of me reading the book, The Dog Park, and there's something you want to see in there that's a surprise. I promise you want to see it. I'm going to read you the book, and then afterwards, there's an assignment for it. There's a whole video for that, so I'm not going to go into it. But that is the expectation for you guys today. Watch me read the book. Do the Seesaw assignment for the book. Watch me in this video. Do the Seesaw assignment for math. Subitize. Get on Dreambox, and you get to draw a cool rocket for science and stick that into Seesaw too. We're going to have a fun last day before spring break. I'm really sad I didn't get to see you guys before. I'm really sorry, but I gotta go get a shot, so I'm not really excited about that. I don't like needles. Well, you guys, I hope you have a fabulous spring break. Y'all are rock stars. You've been working so hard. You really deserve this break. I'll see y'all later. Make sure you get everything done.